What is text masking? It's actually very simple. All it is images in the shape of letters. So it's basically like using a grid, just that the form and shape of the grid is a letter in our alphabet. Here is a quick example of a clothing design that I created using text masking in Canva. And this is actually the reason why I'm showing you this. So many people asked me on how I created this design. And after I told them that I created it in Canva, they didn't quite believe me. So here is how to create this awesome effect right in Canva. It's very easy. All you need to do is go to Elements and then click on Frames. Now you need to scroll down until you start to see all the individual letters. Just pick the letters you need to form your word or sentence. You can simply handle them like a normal element. So just bring them into the correct order and position. From this point on, the fun part starts. You can either choose an image that you uploaded, or you can just take one from the Canva library. Once you've got your image, grab it and simply put it right into the character. Now you can repeat this process for every single character. Of course, you can also choose different images. If you double click on the image in the character, you can reposition it. This is great to add some variety, so you don't just see the same part of the image in every single letter. Here you can see the finished version. I like to use text masking in images, but of course you can also use it in other designs. Just a quick tip at the end. If you want to have a nice color gradient in your text, you need to make sure that you position the image right. So you need to start from the beginning of the image and then slowly work your way to the end of the image. This is the only way to get a perfect gradient in your text. I really hope you have a lot of fun masking text in Canva.